unfortunately, right now we don't have available another plan. Only the current plan that you have on your services. Maybe this is because when you purchase a device from the store, almost in all the cases, these devices have a very high discount from the normal retail price. So they want to remain the plan
Well,
that it was created.
that doesn't make sense. Why would that be a requirement? What if I just...
It's a way to recover the discount that is provided to you for the device. And this is going to be by the plan that you acquire on your account. I believe that this account was created with the $60 plan. So right now, at the moment, we don't have another plan that we can change. I cannot guarantee that it's going to be on the next plan that you'll be able to do it. But maybe you can check if it is the next cycle to see if another option available. Right now we don't have it right now. But we have the application. You already know the application for that.
I'm sorry?
You already know the application for that.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
We have this application with one app, and for the application store, it's reports. These reports are ready for the
Well, hold on a second. You don't have to continue with that. I'm not interested in that. Because if I give you Trump the rate plan, then I'm gonna have to discontinue the service. I don't understand how you make that stipulation. It's a prepaid service. I got the discount because I ported in a phone number. They didn't tell me that for 12 months I have to keep the same rate plan. That's not even on your website. Your website doesn't say I have to keep the service for 12 months on the most expensive plan you have.
Well, I didn't say that. I didn't say that you have to keep this one for 12 months.
Well, you are the last one. The last one that said that you have to wait 1 year.
I say right now we don't have a available with your account.
Well, what are you gonna have available if I don't terminate my service? You're not gonna be able to right now.
I cannot provide you on the right rate for we are going to have a rate of 48.
That doesn't make any sense. You have rate plans starting at $50 a month. And you're trying to tell me you'd rather lose me as a customer and then instead of changing my rate plan? That doesn't make any sense. That's what it sounds like. Well, then you're gonna have to make other plans available.
Right now another plan for me, it will be more easy to make the change.
So you're trying to tell me, because the rate plan on the website is the $60 plan. There's no other plan. So next month, because I already paid for next month, in July, if you don't change my rate plan, that means you're going to lose a customer. That's what it sounds like.
We really appreciate that you are business with us and that you stay with Boost Mobile. Hopefully for the next month we are going to have another plan available. I cannot guarantee that, but hopefully.
bucks.
Oh, unlimited $50.
Yeah.
So when I get it, keep it small, plan,
For you, I could do.
This can happen. Right now, at the moment, it's not available. But I'm not going to tell you that you have to wait 12 months. I never say that.
Well, the last representative said that. The last representative said you have to wait 12 months. And that doesn't make sense. This is not a contract. I didn't sign a contract. You didn't give me a free phone.
Yes, I know.
I should be
And that's
able
why
to
I
change my
cannot,
rate plan.
and that's why I am not able to guarantee that you have to be on the same plan for 12 months or 1 year. But we can wait until the next month so we can see if we have available another plan. You can give us a chance.
I'm giving you a chance now. It sounds like you're losing it.
Of course, like we don't want to lose you, Sean. You are a very valid customer for us. Even if you have been with us for 3 months, all our customers have a great value. But right now, believe me, if it was for me, I will make the change right now. It will be more easy.
It would be more easy. It would be more easy for me too. But I don't like the way this sounds right now.
I know, and I totally understand you. Believe me. But we don't have it right now available. I hope that on the next month we have another option so you can make a change. You can be more happy with us.
I guess we'll see. We'll have to wait till next month and see then, don't we?
Can you give us a chance for the next month?
I have no choice because I already paid this month's bill.
But no worries, all this information I will put it on your account. Okay? Also, I'm going to provide this feedback to the back office.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Is there anything else that I can assist you with?
Debbie, I'll thank you very much.
It was my pleasure to assist you. Have a wonderful week.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Baby, you're a rolling star. Baby, you're a shining spark. You are. Baby, you're the queen of my heart. Baby, what are you made of, my girl? My girl. I can't take my eyes off you, moving like I never do. You make me do. You can take your eyes off mine. The way you move is calling my soul. Do. Just put your hands on mine and put your lips on mine and move with your body. Just put your hands on mine and put your lips on mine and move with my body. So sweet, so sweet, so Gonna just prove his story.
So, doctor. You don't care about the phone?
No, I wanted an iPhone preferably, but he still FaceTime somehow without an iPhone. He just got a bullshit phone.
If you want to listen, if you want an iPhone, I got an iPhone 8. I'll give it to you. Actually, it's an SE with the bill paid. I know it sells for $200. I got it used. I'll give it to you with the plan. Give you like $180. Yeah, I got it used and I got a plan. It's gonna be unlimited too.
Yeah, you try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your feelings
You get an Android. I'll give it to you for $100 for you.
'Cause you know I am the fire. I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer?
Alright.
Filet.
I'll leave at 7.
Be may.
Alright.
Those lips in your eyes, I'll trade it with mine. Was now or never. I'm tired of guessing, so don't you wanna come a little closer? Why are you playing cool? Just tell me what you're gonna do, boy. Take my hands, draw me close. That's when you'll hear me feeling in the most. I see the trembling, baby, come and take a dose. I'm might change my mind, you better hurry up. You try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer? Fillet, fillet, fillet. Be made, be made. Those lips in your eyes, I'll trade it with mine. Is now or never. I'm tired of guessing, so don't you wanna come a little closer? Come over to my side, I'll take you for a ride. We'll live and talk, we'll scream and shout throughout the night. Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling. Don't you wanna come a little closer? Fillet, fillet, fillet. Be made, be made. Those lips in your eyes, I'll trade it with mine. Is now or never. I'm tired of guessing, so don't you wanna come a little closer? Can't tell what is wrong or right. This feeling I have inside. Stop trying to fight, cause you wanna come a little closer. No doubt and you can't deny this feeling you're trying to hide. Stop trying to fight, cause you wanna come a little closer. Uh-huh.
Diamonds, baby. I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. Ay, I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I'm gone, I'm out of the stratosphere. She told me I'm faded, can you get me out of here? Take me to the back of the room, I'll let you explore my body. Man, I'm so sick of all them people trying to take my money. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, eh. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, yeah. She was so hot, she said, baby, let's go to the moon. But I'm so tired, I just wanna chill in the back of the room. I said, put that body on me, let me set the mood. Baby, smoke that joint and vibe with me to the tunes. She see that jewelry drip on me, I know it turns her on. If we make it to the bed, we gon' continue to the moon. She got that passion for my name like nobody else. Man, I swear I'm so selfish, I just want her to myself. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, eh. I'm gone now. She gone, eh. Take it to the back of the room, tell me how you feel. She's so bad, just wanna fucking smoke and pop it pills. Make a lot of hits, one day they go worth a meal. I see that water, like it, bite it, get it. I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. Yeah. I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I'm gone, yeah. She gone, eh. I'm gone now. She gone, eh. I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. Baby girl, yeah. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I'm gone,